Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku, classic Sudoku on our channel. So this Sudoku was constructed by Matteo, and this Sudoku has got very good feedback by the solvers who have solved it. So I thought of covering a video on this one. So I thanks a lot to the author that he has given us the opportunity to cover a classic Sudoku on our channel. Now, before going to the Sudoku, I would really suggest you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover more videos in the coming future on daily basis. If at all you have any request for a puzzle genre or a Sudoku variant, do let us know on the comments below and we'll surely make a video on it. Now coming on to the Sudoku, as you can see, it's a really beautifully designed theme, symmetrical shape, and even after so many givens, this Sudoku was said to be one of a really tough one and a very good narrow logics applied in this Sudoku. So let us see if we can crack this Sudoku logically, right? So I will try to solve this Sudoku faster using the basic techniques, and if at all there is any advanced logic required, I will let you know. So before, okay, let us start this Sudoku. 2 and 2 here would give you a 2 here, and so 5 here and a 5 here would give you a 5 here. That means a 4 here and here will give you a 4 here, and 1 in one of these two cells will give you 1 here. As you can see, 1 cannot be in one of these 3 cells, so 1 has to be in one of these 2 cells. So 1 cannot be in these 3 cells now, so 1 has to be here. So these 3 numbers are 3, 6 and 8, right? So this would have to be 3, 6, 3, 6, 8 and 368. And as you can see, both 3 and 8 cannot be in these 3 cells now. So these 3 cells would be 1, 7 and 9. So this would have to be 7, 9, this would have to be 9, and this would have to be 1, 7, 9, right? Now these these two digits are 3 and 8. So let us mark those here. And what the 1, because of the 1 here, we directly get a 1 here. And this cell would have to be 7, 8. And this would have to be 3, 8 and 3, 7, 8. I can directly write a 7 here, right? It wouldn't be a 3, 8 because then you will have a uniqueness issue. And according to the author, it would have to be a single solution, right? A valid solution, which means this would have to be a 7. But let us solve it logically, because I don't want to, just short circuit the logic here. I would really see how the logic works here. So with that, we'll continue this Sudoku. And okay, as you can see here, this 1 and 3 cannot be here, and 1 and 3 would have to be in one of these two cells, so cannot be here. So 1 and 3 in box 6 has only 2 places to go. It's kind of a hidden pair, and these 3 digits would have to be 2, 7, 9. So this would be 7, 9, this would be 2, 9, and this would have to be 2, 7 and 9. And again, this row has already 7 here, so this would have to be 2, 9. So 2, 7, 9 triplet here. Okay, nothing much again. You have already 5 digits here in this row. So 2, 3, 4 and 8 are remaining. 8 is here, so 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 and 8. Okay. So 3 is here, 2, 4, 8. 8 also cannot be here, so 2, 4 and 2, 4, 8. Okay. And 9 here, because of the 9 here, 9 would have to be in one of these 3 cells, which gives you a 9 in one of these 2 cells in second column. Again 8 in box 2 can have only 2 places to go, these 2 places. And again 4 in box 2 can only have in these 2 places, and box 3 and box 1 can have in only in these 2 places, right? Okay, not here. Yeah, of course, because of the 4 here, 4 in box 4 will have to be only this cell. There is no other digit, there is no other cell a 4 can go, which means you can eliminate 4 from here, and that would give you a 4 in one of these 2 cells, right? So we can mark that here. So 1, 9, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 9 are the remaining digits here. So 1, 9 cannot be here, so it has to be 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. So do we get anything else? A 5 here and here will give you a 5 here, and this 5 would give you a 5 in one of these two cells, and a 5 here would be in one of these two cells. So there is only one place for the 5 in column 3, right? It cannot be here, it cannot be any of these two cells, it cannot be here, so it has to be here, right? So you have a 5 here, and there are only 4 digits remaining in row 6, 1, 3, 7 and 9. So 1, 7 is already here, 3 and 9 would have to be in these in this cell, so which means 9 has to be in one of these two cells. Okay. Anything else we are missing here? So if you see in row 9, 8 and 6 is not possible here, 8 and 6 is not possible here, so there is only two places for the 8 and 6. 6, 8 would have to be here, 6, 8 would have to be here, which means the two remaining digits are 3 and 9, so this would have to be 3, 9 and this would have to be 3, 9, right? And now if you see column 3, 2, 3, 6, 8 are the remaining digits, so 3 cannot be here, 2, 6, 8, and this would have to be 2, 6, 8 again. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 8, all the 4 digits would be here, and this seems to be a tough one. I am not sure if I am missing anything, because as far as I am concerned, I don't see any hidden single here or a naked single. I think so I can see something here, because 6, 7, 8 and 9 are not possible, 1, 4 and 3 are not possible, 2 and 5 are the digits possible, 5 is also not possible. Oh, it has to be 2. Excellent. So this would have to be a 2, that means this would have to be a 6 and 8, and you get a 6, 8 pair in this column, which means 6, 8 can be eliminated from these cells, so it has to be 2, 3, so you get to 2, 3 pair here, and these two will eliminate 2 from this cell, so this would have to be 2, 4, and this would have to be 3, 4 and 3, 8, so 2 has to be in one of these two cells now. Excellent. And so we have already marked all the digits, possible digits here. This cell would have to be 1, 2, 3 is not possible, 4, 5, only 4, 5 here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, right? 4 is not possible, 5, 68, so 5, 6 and 8. I don't see anything much here. If you see column 7, 2, 7, 9 and 6 are the remaining digits, 2, 6, 7, 9, right? So this would have to be 2, 6, 7 and 9, and this would have to be 6, 7 and 9. Nothing here. Let us see if we have a 1, 3 pair here. Do we get anything here in this row? So 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the remaining digits. 8, 9, 8 cannot be here. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 7, 9, 8, it has to be 2, 6. And this would have to be 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 2, 6, 7 and 9. Nothing much. Nothing much. Let us see this cell now. So 1 is not possible, 2 is possible, 3 is possible, 4 is not possible, 5 is not possible, 6, 7 is not possible, 8 is possible, and 9 is not possible, because you have a 9 here pointing right. Okay, let us see if we get anything advanced logic here, some y wing or xyz wing or something like x wing or something. Let us see that. Oh, superb, excellent. I got an x wing of 2. So if you see column 3, you have a 2 in one of these two cells, right? Superb. And in column 7, you have 2 in one of these two cells, right? That's an x wing here, guys. Superb, superb. It's really difficult to see. So in column 3, 2 has only 2 places to go, and in column 7, 2 has only 2 places to go, which means that all the other columns in these two rows, all the other column cells in these two rows won't have 2, right? So this cell wouldn't be a 2. So if you have a 2 here, both of these columns will have 2 in these two cells, right? So you cannot have a 2 here, it has to be 6, 7 and 9. Extremely sorry guys. This would have to be 6, 7 and 9. Kind of cold here. So this would have to be 3, 6 and 8, right? Which means that still I am unable to find anything here, guys. It's not only the X swing, there has to be something else, something other digit here that I am missing here maybe. I see something here with the sixes here, I think. This would give you this, so 6 has to be here, to give you this and this. Oh, that's great. There is a simple coloring logic, guys. It's really difficult to find such logics. I'm not sure how the author would have constructed this Sudoku. Really excellent. So if you see here, I'll just show you what I am talking about. Blue, green. This would have to be a blue, green and blue. So if you see this column, it's actually the colors that I have marked are simple coloring, right? So if you have a 6 here, you won't have a 6 here, and that pushes the 6 to in this in this cell, in this column. That eliminates 6 from here, and only place for 6 in this row would be this. That eliminates 6 from here, and only place for 6 in this column would be this. So which means that if you have a 6 in here, you won't have 6 in green cells. So if you have 6 in blue cells, you won't have 6 in green cells, and if you have 6 in green cells, you won't have 6 in blue cells. That is what simple coloring means. So I'll just say you what I did here is, that's an excellent logic. So if I place a 6 here, I eliminate 6 from here, which means this column would have a 6 here, that eliminates 6 from here, that has a 6 here, that eliminates 6 from here and has a 6 here. And same way, if I eliminate a 6 from here, I would have a 6 here, that eliminates from this cell and puts here, that eliminates from this cell and puts here, that eliminates from this cell. So in either way, either the green cells or the blue cells will have a 6, right? There is no way possible that both of these cells won't have a 6. Either the green cell or the blue cell will have a 6, right? In this column, in this column, in this row, and in this row. And if you see now, that's an excellent logic. That is what a simple coloring means. So if you mark two different colors of for a single digit, right? The possibilities of a single digit with two different colors, it's like an on and off. So if you have on for green color, then you will have an off for blue color, and if you have on for blue color, you will have off for green color. Which means that any cell seeing both of these colors simultaneously won't have that digit, right? So which means that this cell, particularly this cell, is seeing both the green and the blue cell simultaneously, right? This cell, which means it cannot have a 6, and this would have to be a 3 and 8. Excellent logic, guys. Superb logic. And which means that now you have a 3-8 pair in this column. Excellent. So with the help of the 3-8 pair, you eliminate 3 from this cell, and this would have to be a 9, which gives you a 2 here, and eliminates 8 from here, so this would have to be a 5 and 6, and this 2 gives you a 3 here, a 1 here, a 9 here, a 2 here. Superb. A 7 here, a 1 here, and this 2 and 7 gives you a 9 here, that gives you a 3 here and a 7 here. And 2 and 7 will eliminate from both of these cells, so this would have to be 6 and 9, and this 3 will give you a 2 here. And does that give us anything now? Nothing much, right? Again, that will eliminate 9 from this cell. Okay, superb. And I think so. The Sudoku should complete now. It shouldn't be a difficult one now, because we have found a X-wing. We have found a simple coloring. I'm not sure anything else is remaining here. Hats off to the author for creating such an excellent Sudoku. I'm really enjoying this one. And let us see. I'm not getting anything here again. Uh, so this cell would have to be 1 2 3 4 5 is not possible, 6 and 6 is not possible, 7 and 9 is the only digit remaining here. This only 2 4 and 2 4 8, we have already marked that. So this cell, these two cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? 6 8 4 5, and this would have to be 7 4 5 6 7 8, right? 4 5 6 is already written, 7 and 8, okay, nothing much. And these cells, so 1 3 4 1 3 4 5 9 5 4 139 4 9 1 3 5, and nothing here. I don't think I don't get it now. What else logic is remaining here? It is really difficult to solve these kind of Sudokus in a competition mode. I would really say in a competition these kind of Sudokus are nothing but you have to guess. But in leisure, if you are free and if you are really looking forward to solving advanced techniques, this Sudoku is one of the best, I would say. Excellent. Still, after getting the simple coloring, the Sudoku isn't finished yet. There is something more that is remaining. I could have I could have directly written a 7 year using the uniqueness technique and completed this Sudoku, I think. Yeah, 7 would give you a 9 6 8 3 and 8, and this 8 would give you 3 year 4 year 5 year 6 year. Superb. So I don't want you to use the uniqueness technique. Thank God I didn't use it, because that would take away the beauty of this Sudoku, the logic that is involved in this Sudoku. And let us see if I get anything else. Oh, I really thank the author. Such a great Sudoku. Hats off to the author. I see something else, guys. I see this here. I see a XYZ wing, WXYZ wing, I think. We have already covered that in our channel. We have covered simple coloring in our channel. We have covered X-wing in our channel. I would really suggest you to check out those videos if you are really hoping to learn these techniques. So if you see here, there is an WXYZ wing, a 7 8, and then one of the digits again used here 4 7, and one of the digits from this cell used here 2 4, one of the digits from this cell used here 2 4 8. 4 cannot be here, right? So this would have to be 2 and 8. So 7 8 4 7 2 4 2 8, right? So one of the digits from this cell uses here, one of the digits from this cell is used here, one of the digits from this cell is used here, and one of the digits from this cell is used here. It's kind of a chain. 7 8 4 7 2 4 2 8, it's kind of a chain, right? And which means that both of these digits which are not seeing each other, right? So these two cells are not seeing each other, and the common digit in these two cells is a 8. So whatever cells that sees both of these cells simultaneously won't have the digit 8. So this is the cell, right? So 7 8 4 7 2 4 2 8, and both of these cells don't see each other, and both of these cells have a common digit called 8. So this cell wouldn't have an 8. So if at all you have an 8 here, this would be a 7 4 2, and you won't have anything here. 8 and 2 will be here, right? So if you have a 8 here, you will have a 2 here. That will eliminate all the possibilities from this cell. So it would have to be 6 and 7. And now because of this 6 and 7, you get a 6 7 pair in this column. Wow, awesome. And with that 6 7 pair, you get a 2 year, a 8 year, right? And this 8 gives you a 3 year, a 4 year, a 5 year, a 6 year, a 8 year, a 3 year, and superb. So this gives you a 2 year, and this 6 would give you a 7 year, a 4 year, a 8 year, and this 7 would give you a 9 year, a 6 year, and this would be a 7. So I could have directly written the 7 year, but that thank God we haven't done that. And this 7 would gives you a 6 year, a 9 year, and I hope that this Sudoku is should be completed now. 3, and this would have to be a 5, and this 8 and 8 here gives you an 8 here, that gives you a 6 here, and this 6 would give you, okay, this 9 would give you a 3 here, which means this becomes a 9, and you have 1 3 possibilities here. So 3 6 possibilities here. Because of the 6 you get a 3 here, a 6 here, a 1 here, a 3 here, and this gives you a 1 here and a, okay, 7 here. And with that we complete this gorgeous, excellent classic Sudoku by Matteo. What an excellent Sudoku this was. I really enjoyed solving this Sudoku. What a great logic applied here, kind of narrow logic, finding the exact, actually I would say, just to get the 3 8 pair in this column, we had to first use the X string to remove the 2, then we had to use the simple coloring to remove the 6, and then you get a 3 8 pair here. Awesome. And then you just remove the 6 here, I am sorry, 8 here, to get the 6 7 pair. Awesome. What a great Sudoku this was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.